Okay. Hi, Mom. Mr. Kim was nice enough to drop us off here at the waterfalls that are on the corner by the river. And there are some trails here too. Woo-ha! We just got a nice stairs this time. And up we go. Looks like one broke and they replaced it. Huh. And you can look down on the street down there. There's a winding path. And up it goes. Some cinder blocks here. That looks like a side trail, but it doesn't really go anywhere. On the other side of this nature trail, on the other side of the street's a big parking lot. Over there's the river. And over there, that bird is what they call a magpie. At least when I'm looking for an English word for it, that's what they call it. Forgot the Korean name, sorry. that little black and white bird over there. And trail goes down somewhere over there, and there's a little pit here for some reason. Some more cinder blocks and stones over there. Looks like an abandoned monument or incomplete monument. I don't know what that is. Anyway, so the trail leads over here. And now it's going back down. As far as I can tell, the trail just keeps on going down from here, and you can see some more farms here. And you can see some tall buildings off in the distance. The top of the trail seems to be right about here, so I made it to the top of Waterfall Hill. Woohoo! Alright, now I'll go down the other trail here to probably come to the other side of the waterfalls. You can see where they're getting ready for planting because it's springtime. Whoops, gravelly soil there. Okay, over here, some things, I think maybe those are big solar panels. Oh hey, down there you can see the railroad tracks. And yeah, this is coming down to the other side of the waterfall. Yep, here it is. And here's the last little piece of the trail back down to ground level. There's a trail over to there. I'm not sure what that booth is. It's like an information booth. Maybe it's abandoned. You can see the solar panels over there. Okay, the sign up there says San Bull Jo Sheep. Or San Bull Jo Sheem. I'm not sure that's the name of the mountain or what that is. Okay, now I hiked up and down the trails. Here's Blessed Pastor Eden with some Pepsi Cola.
In bottle. Old school. In North America, they didn't.
And there's waterfalls. Hello. How are you? Hey, how you doing? And here is the river where we had the other events. Okay, and here I guess is where they're doing the parachute airplanes from. Nice. And up there, camera can see it. Little toy airplane.